This might sound crazy, but there's a boat that claims it can trade crypto for you. No stress, no charts, no experience needed, and the system just keeps running 24/7. So I came across this platform and it's using something called Boat. It's basically a fast robot that scans transactions and grabs small profits. And here's the interesting part. It claims users can earn daily and even get $40 for every referral. This platform is called Smart and it claims to run automated bots that scans the blockchain and generate profits. Let me show you how exactly to get started. Alright, now let's create an account. At the top of the menu, you see MEV, click on it, and sandwich boat. Now this is how you are going to create your account. Click on connect wallets. You can use any browser and click on email. So when you click on email, you're going to be told to log in, but now you need to scroll downward and click I don't have an account. Then you put in your email, get a verification code from your email, and put in password. So let's go get a verification code from my email. I'm going to get it, then put my password. All right, so this is a verification code. I'll copy it and I'll paste it on the page, and I'll put in my passwords, and that's it. I'll click on agree and I will register. All right, so once you're registered, it's going to tell you to bind your Google Authenticator. I'm going to save this password. It's going to tell you to bind your Google Authenticator. Now, this is how to create a XMEV smart boat. Okay, so now this is Google Authenticator. You can get it on App Store or on Google Play Store. You bind it. I'm going to copy this code because I'm going to create an account on Google Authenticator for this boat. I'm going to copy that and go to the authenticator and put in the code name. I'm going to call it the XMEV boat, and I'm going to put in the key that I copied and I'll add it. Okay, once I put it, I'll add it, and voila, I'll click on next step. Now verify. You go to your authenticator and copy the code that is on that account and put it here. Once it's correct, it's going to go through. Now you see that your authenticator is bound. So that's just how to create an account. Don't go yet. Once that is done, you see that a referral link that you used to register will be there, so you need to verify it. Okay, so confirm that referral. So if you use the link that I drop in the comment section, in the description, or in any of our community, this is what you are going to be seeing. All right, so you are going to confirm it that this is the person who registered you. Once you confirm it, you click on confirm and welcome to join the Sandwich Society. Confirm it. Once that is also done, you see that your account has been created. Your account has been created. Is that you need to put a nickname for yourself. Choose that. After you've done that, now you need to activate your bot. You need to deposit on the platform so that you can activate your bot and the bot will start trading and making profit for you. Okay, for you to do this, first of all, you need to deposit on the platform. At the top of the page, of the home page, you're going to see to activate this. First of all, at the top here you see wallet. Click on it. Once you click on that wallet right here, once you click on it, you are now going to deposit USDC, USDC, USDT, or Solana. Now this bot is profitable, very profitable for you to do this. I'll walk you through. Now you can see which of them you want to deposit on the platform. Let's go with USDT. Okay, deposit, you go with USDT, and you're going to see the address for you to deposit into the platform. So you can choose what network, TRC20, BEP20, or Solana. Okay, so depending on what you want to do, you can copy your address, go to your Bybit, Binance, and deposit. Now if you're depositing on this platform and you want to use the sandwich bot, you need to deposit 71 USDT. Now 50 USDT will go for activating your sandwich bot, while 20 USDT to be used to trade for you. Now there is another atomic arbitrage bot right there which you can also use. Now this one is more profitable than the sandwich boat. Guys, this is very, very, very profitable than the sandwich boat. You discover that for you to get started with the atomic arbitrage boat, you see there's just a little amount of people who are participating in this, and this is very, very profitable. Okay, so you need an activation of your boat for 100 USDT, and you also need you can now trade with 50 USDT minimum. So you can do 51 USDT, 151 USDT, and $100 USDT will go for your activation of the boat, and 50 USDT will go for the trading with the atomic boat. Now this is something, if you have been using other boats, I would suggest that you switch over to this, because this is have been proven to be giving a lot of profit, more than your regular or the ones you knew. A lot of them are scams, and this one is very, very profitable for you to get started. After you deposit on the platform, you need to activate your boat. So if I'm using sandwich boat, I will just, after I've deposited on the platform, I will just click on activate the boat. Now guys, if you want to do this and you are finding difficult, you just need to chat me. Okay, join our Telegram community. Someone will help you out to get started with this. Make sure you're in our communities for get started. So once you've done this too, you can just see where you can activate. Guys, it's profitable, and we'll walk you through. Even if you don't understand, we can walk you through. Just chat us in the community and we'll walk you through. It's instead of keeping your money just on Bybit wasting or just not doing anything, you can now do this. So activate your boat. Once you activate it, you get started. Now there is a catch right here. I'll talk about that at the end of this video. Okay, I'll talk about that at the end of the video. You can make good money every week in this platform. Whatever your investment is, you can make that money. Those money you are losing on futures trading or trading that are spot trading, you can be making them here. Just your money, this board is trading for you. Okay, now I want to talk about the referral aspect of this platform. Very, 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 very profitable. Now the referral aspect of this platform is every person you refer that gets started and start investing or allowing the boats to trade for them, you get 40 USDT. 40 USDT. Once the person registers on the platform, activates their boat, let's say the person is using the sandwich boat, the person registers with your link and deposits, let's say 71 USDT, 50 USDT to activate their boat. Is a lifetime payment, one-time payment for a lifetime. Then use 20 USDT to start trading. The platform gives you that referral the person 40 USDT, and you can withdraw it instantly. So guys, this is one thing that go check any other boat. This is very, really massive, and you can make money both ways, trading and referring. All right, so that's it. If you want to get more information, you can chat in the community.